Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Make PREM Comfort Me Panthenol Moisture Essence. This product retails for $20. This is actually a product that I had somebody recommend to me. Thank you all so much for continuing to recommend products because I'm so serious. You all introduced me to some of my favorite skincare products. Looking over the ingredient list excited me about this, and that is why I trust you all so much. They seem to have some nice soothing and nourishing ingredients in here. There are a couple that I'm iffy on of whether it will cause acne or not. Everyone's acne is different, so if my experience is positive with this product doesn't mean it will be for everybody, but I just want to share my perspective on it. I love a soothing essence toner step in the skincare routine, and that's kind of what this is seeming to be. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The biggest thing I'll be looking for is, does it cause any acne? I also want to see how it feels on the skin. What does it do for the skin? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this toner. I'm assuming it's a toner. It says it's an essence, but the language kind of gets mixed up with this. It comes in an interesting squeeze tube, and I've done a spot test, and it feels really nourishing. The exciting part is with this style of product, you are able to control how much you get out because you can squeeze it. It's not really something I've seen with a lot of essences. This definitely does feel like kind of a toner essence texture, especially with how it blends into the skin. Starts off feeling almost like a light gel cream, which is interesting. I'm gonna see how I prefer to use this in my skincare routine. I'm just gonna take out a little bit. I love the packaging of this product, and I also love the ingredients. It's feeling like it may almost perform best as like a barrier serum. And my skin has been needing this. This is feeling so nice going on the face. I don't know, the level of dew and glow that this gives to the skin, I almost feel like it would work better, like closer to a moisturizer. Like when I hear essence, I think right after cleansing. This is feeling heavier like a barrier serum. Really nourishing product. I don't know, I'm gonna continue using it and seeing how I feel like I best use it. It's very refreshing, very hydrating for the skin. I think it would be best to apply this on damp skin. It's feeling like it gives kind of a softening effect too, and just such a glow. I would almost say, and this may be a little too soon, but I would almost say oily skin could use this as a lightweight moisturizer because it has a little bit more weight to it than say an essence. I'm gonna let you know where I prefer to use it and also how this product continues to perform. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm about to give you all my final thoughts on this essence. This was a beautiful, lightweight, and extremely soothing essence to the skin that had a unique, almost water gel texture to it. Essence is not, in my opinion, the best description of the texture of it, because when I think essence, I think more watery. This definitely has a little bit more of a thick consistency to it, almost reminiscent of a light gel cream or a light serum. I would definitely recommend using it after actives in the middle of your skincare routine. Start with the most lightweight and then end with the heaviest step. I personally used it after my actives and right before a moisturizer, but definitely go off of how you feel like you should use it best based off the other skincare products in your routine. If you use another toner or a more liquidy step, definitely use that first. I did notice in the ingredient list, it has so many great soothing ingredients that I feel like would be most tolerable for people who struggle with acne or redness. Now, the acne conversation comes up because they did include Ethylhexyl palmitate in this. I'm not a believer of pore clogging ingredients, and that proved to be true with this because that is technically a pore clogging ingredient, and I didn't experience any acne with it. I'm still able to use it. I've been using it for a couple of weeks and I'm doing just fine with it, and so I haven't noticed anything negative in that regard. But Everyone's acne is different. If you know you have a sensitivity to that ingredient, it is pretty high up on the list, but I mean, I've seen every formulation to be different. I've been hit or miss with that ingredient though, so just take that into consideration. However, I do feel like the soothing complex in this formula, along with the simple yet hard-hitting ingredients, makes it a really standout product if you struggle with redness. I haven't really seen an essence with this light texture to it, almost like a light gel cream or like a light water gel texture. Such a beautiful formula. Madecassoside and Panthenol are enough for me just to absolutely fall in love with it. It keeps it pretty simple. There's not really much more to it except for that. There's some nourishing ingredients, there's some hydrating ingredients. It's a fairly simple ingredient list. And so from that point of view, I feel like it may be an option for acne prone skin. If you know you're able to use Ethylhexyl palmitate, there's no real way to tell. You kind of just have to try it for yourself. But I noticed for my acne, it was soothing that. Some of the redness that I get with acne and just in my face in general, I noticed this product was instantly soothing. I mean, even in the last check-in, I noticed it was more soothed after I had applied it and it had sat on my skin for a couple of hours. It's something that provides an instant nourishing benefit in a lightweight way, but also provides an instant soothing benefit as well. I mean, this was a product that you all recommended me, and I have trusted you all with so many recommendations. This product is further proof of that. I would recommend it if you're looking for a really soothing serum. Redness is who is really going to love this product, and I feel like it's more for the person who loves a simple skincare routine. I could see this being used with a cleanser if you want to use it with actives, then 100%, or just by itself and with a moisturizer if your skin is really sensitive or really sensitized. I mean, it's a great light nourishing essence that I feel like any skin type could use. You may just use it differently based on your skin type. You may prefer something a little bit more if you're dry, like layer it with something. If you're oily, I feel like you could almost just use a cleanser, either end at this step if you feel like it's enough, or go in with a gel or a water cream after it. Perfect, more simple yet hard-hitting redness complex serum. I'm calling it that because essence just doesn't describe the texture in my opinion, but still it is like a serum and it worked really well for my skin, so I would 100% recommend trying it. Not a bad price point either. It is, I mean, pretty standard for the amount that you get out of it. I like that you are able to control how much you get out with the squeeze tube. I do think that is a good integration, and I feel like I will make it last a little bit longer because I'm not having to waste any product. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.